Good afternoon everyone. My name is Appleby Gagabite from BSAG Students Filipino. So ngayon is the 6th session. Ngayon is pakilala ko muna ang aking tuti. So
I'm Angeline M. Domingo. I'm 11 years old. I'm grade 6 matatag.
So ngayon bago tayo magsisimula is magbabasa ka muna is bago kita ma-elaborate natin or mag-question ako about yan.
Dasinga sang nila tama. An imaginative and yours. Imaginative and yours.
Imaginative.
Imaginative adventurous king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. His love hunting wild animals. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungle of Tangong Bentam, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great plate of chips to Tangong Bentam. When the king arrived upon the island, his subjects and had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stag disappointed that king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag darted out of the bush in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. But the king drew his silver dagger and hurled it at the stag, only grazing the animal. The stag began to run, and the king pursued it. In those days, it was either your feet or nothing. The stag ran through and jungle and darted up anal. The king followed the stag up the hill, but upon reaching the summit, the stag was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it and knocked
Look,
look and
look, the
look the land
land
and sea spread out around him in the distance. He say
he saw,
he saw
he saw
he saw a stretch of
of
white
sand,
sand and island. Si
Sang
Nila Utama was fascinated by the sight
sight,
sight of the island. He started
he turned,
stirred
he turned
he turned
to
to one
of
of his subjects, one who had followed him. What is the name of
name,
what is the
what
name,
is the
what is the name of
of
the
that,
island?
the
The
subject,
subject
look
into the
this
distance and smiled. That is Temasek, your highness.
highness, then
Then we are going there.
We are going there.
The king ordered his fleet to
fleet
fleet to set sail, and they
began
began to
Began
on their
journey
journey
towards
towards the island.
suddenly
Suddenly, the once clear blue sky were covered
with
with black clouds. Heavy rain from, poured from them, and strong
burst
brush burst
of
of wind
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 threatened
threatened
to
to
tear
tear
the
the ship
apart,
the ship
carrying
carrying Sang Nila Utsama was
in the
the
very
very
eye of the
eye of the
storm.
storm. The
The crew lowered
word and
the sails
the sails started to build the water
from the
from the ship
and
and get
get
most
of
of the cargo
for
for
jettisoning.
jettisoning.
However,
However, an
idea came
to the king
had
head. He remembered a story his grandfather told him of how on
one
of his
ancestors
ancestors became the sea king,
and
and that his crown was
the
the
only
only
thing
thing which
which
belonged to his
ancestor.
ancestor. He
Removed
removed his crown
immediately
immediately
and
and threw
it
it into
the
the sea.
all
All
at
at
once.
once,
The
the storm broke. Has suddenly has
it
started
started
the
the
skies
skies
began
to
to
clear.
and the crew gave
A
a
shout
shout of joy and set
set
sail
once
once
more
more
to
to
the
the island of Temasek. When the king stopped upon the island, a creature
step
stepped out of
nowhere,
nowhere, and the king and his men were
awestruck
struck by the
magnificent
magnificent
creature.
creature.
It,
While later,
it was large,
large and
moved
moved
with
with
grace,
grace, and a black
had
had a black head covered
in a fairy
name
mane,
mane,
a
a whitish
whitish
neck,
neck, and
and a red body. When
when
the king drew his bow and row, the
the beast
beast
stared
stared
back
back at
at him
with golden eyes
and
and let out a
deafening,
deafening roar before
leaping
leaping into the jungle. What sort of animal was that? The king husked a
as
husked
as
husked
as
has
as lang
as
as a wise
a wise old man
step
step
forth.
forth.
I have seen animals in portraits from
From
the
the far west,
perhaps
perhaps this is a singa, but a wonder how it got all
all the
the
way.
way here. This must
This must
be
be
a great place
if it
brings
breeds
out
such
such
a
a beautiful animals. Let us
let us
live here on the islands of Singapore.
So ngayon is tatanungin kita. Yun yung hypothetical question, conversation about the story. So ngayon is babasahan kita ng question at isusulat mo muna sa papel bago mo sasabihin kung ano yung mga sagot mo. So pakisulat yung pangalan mo. Wait lang. So, what if Sang Nila Utama hadn't seen a wild beast, the lion? What would he have named the place something else, or would the existing name have been retained? Number 1. Ano daw yung ipapangalan mo kung hindi na hanap ang Sang Nila Utama? And number 2, what if the beast had been a different animals? Would the name of the place have changed? Yes or no? Yes, and what is ano daw yung ipapangalan mo kung wala yung name? Number 3. If Sang Nila Utama hadn't been impressed by the place, would he have continued his journey elsewhere? Ano? Sulat mo. So number 4, if Sang Nila Utama had chosen a different name for the place, what would the name be and how would it be reflected in the city cities, culture, and identity. Okay na. So, ngayon is ibabasa muna kung ano nga ba ang yung mga answers. So, uulitin ko yung tanong at babasahin mo yung mga sinagot mo. Kung hindi nakakakita si Sang Nila Utama ng mabangis na hayop, ang leon, may iba pa ba ang pangalan niya sa lugar o mananatili pa rin ba ang kasalukuyang pangalan? So, basahin mo na.
Kung hindi niya nakita ang halimaw, malamang na hindi niya pinangalanang ang lugar na Singapura Rayon City.
So, number 2. Wait lang. Wait lang. Number 2. Kung ang halimaw ay ibang hayop, magbabago ba ang pangalan ng lugar? So, pakibasa yung sagot.
Oo, malamang. Malamamang. Oo, na mayroon kung
Nakakita siya.
nakakita siya halimbawa ng isang tiger
Tiger. Na mas
namas ikaraniwang siya
kaysa sa mga
leyon sa tigre sa
timog silangan.
Timog Silangan Asya. Ang pangalanan ay maaaring Harimau Tiger City.
Or Tiger City. So ano naman ang sagot mo sa kung hindi pa humanga si Sang Nila Utama sa lugar, itutuloy ba niya ang kanyang paglalakbay sa ibang lugar? Pakibasa yung yung sagot.
Malamang ang kanyang paglalakbay ay bahagyang paggalugad at kung hindi siya hinangaan at
ng
mahang o
madiskarteng
for
potential. So, kung ikaw papipiliin, kung ikaw ay tatanungin, ano ang pwede mong ipangalan kung hindi kung ikaw ay papipiliin para sa lugar na ano kaya ang pangalan iyon at paano ito makikita sa kultura at pagkakakilanlan. So, ano daw yung
magandang isla
or beautiful island. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang aming 6th session. Bye-bye.